Hello friends, today I'm here. I created this eyeshadow look with the Rawbeautykristi collab that she had with Colourpop. I was so excited to get this, and when I went to the website, it was during school on the 12th. It came out November 12th. We were doing school. I forgot about it because I was doing stuff with the kids, and 2 hours later I think I was able only to get this. And I was not interested in the lip glosses. Those were on there too, but right now with wearing a mask, wearing lip gloss is not really, I'm not really buying a lot of lip gloss. So that is why I didn't get any of those. I did want to get the green eyeliner that she came out with as well. That was just the other product I wanted to get, but I wasn't able to get that because it was sold out. But luckily I still got my hands on the palette. I love the packaging on it. I think it's really nice. I love that the box that it came in looks exactly like the palette, because a lot of times that doesn't happen. You guys know how that works here on YouTube. And so it comes, and then the colors come on the back. I'm going to be able to throw this away because it looks just like this one and I don't have to worry about it. Being that I already used the palette on my eyes, it worked out really well. So I believe, in my opinion, this palette is worth the price. So if you like the color scheme on here, then I would say go ahead and purchase it, because obviously it's limited edition, and once it's gone, I'm not sure if they'll restock or anything like that. It will be gone. Therefore, go ahead and purchase it if you like it. I wanted to support. I really like the colors. I think it's something that I don't really have. I don't have this in a whole palette, this color scheme, and so therefore I was really excited to get it. I'm pretty sure, even though I want to support Rawbeautykristi because I really do like her, I like her channel and everything that she represents, and I don't think I would have got it if it was a color scheme that I didn't like. I wouldn't have gotten it, just because, well, I don't have it like that. I can't just spend on something that I do not like to support. But I still support the channel by obviously watching it, and I'm hoping that if you guys like this eye look, it's not an easy one, but I hope that you guys can still watch it. Stay tuned. We are getting right into this tutorial. I've already primed my eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. I know that the glare wouldn't let you see it that good, but this is the primer I use because I have oily eyelids, and I've already set it with the Laura Mercier honey powder. Let's see. I haven't even touched this palette. I am so excited about this palette. As for a site, Rawbeautykristi, I really love what she represents. You guys know I throw these things away. Oh, where's the trash? Over there. Look at this beauty. I haven't even swatched it. I got it last night, and I was like, I'm not even going to swatch it. I'm just going to use it, and then I think I'll swatch it at the end of the video or in the beginning, maybe when I hopefully don't forget to do my intro. I did in the last video. Sorry about that, guys. I'm new to this, and I'm staring at it because I have no idea what color to use here, or like, what idea to go from. So I'm gonna stare at it for a little bit. I'll be right back. Like, the only two shimmery colors I do want to swatch, because I want to see like how I want to use. I know they'll go on my lid, and I want to see which is this one, West Coast, and Evergreen, the one next to it. These are the two shimmery colors. This is what I will use on my lid, and I just wanted to see either which one I will use, or if I'll use, maybe I think I'm going to use both. Yeah. This one's not as, okay. Yeah, I'm going to use both of them. But since this palette does not have a brow bone color, of course, I'm going to take my current favorite Inhale color from the Urban Decay Naked Heat, and we're going to go ahead and put that in the brow bone. That's what I like to do first. I set my brow bone color, and then I go into my transition and so forth. Brow bone color is set, so now we will go into this right here and dip it in to my Morphe M433 brush. Now this one does have a bit of kickback, but I'm okay with it. You guys can kind of see for the price of these shadows. Now this was $20. I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning as you watched the video. Probably did, but just in case. I have to go like this because it has a lot of kickback. A lot of dust will come up as you put it on. I was so excited to get this palette because I don't have colors, like at least a color story like this. I don't have, I think, a lot of greens and blues, and I just really love everything, all the colors on the palette. And so for it to not have a brow bone color, I'm okay with that. I rather, because I'm always bringing this one out. As you guys, if you've been watching my videos recently, you guys know that I'm just bringing out my own brow bone color that I prefer. And okay, let's see what's the next color. Okay, currently I'm trying to decide, this is real, like between this color, the Rainier color, and the green here, or this Fiddlehead. I think I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna somehow mix those two into the lower crease area. And the brush that I used for that, you guys should know, Morphe M456. We're gonna dip into here. Oh no, I dipped it into the green. I want to go in with the red, so we're gonna take another brush and use this one later. We're gonna take the MAC 217. This is an old brush that I have. MAC brushes are good, they're expensive. So Rainier it is. That's what I'm trying to go in with. Now I'm hoping, I just thought about, I'm hoping I don't have a lot of fallout. Maybe I should. Decided to put down some powder on my face just in case I have fallout, so it doesn't mess up the rest of my makeup. And we're gonna always when you dip in, go ahead and set the brush wherever you want it to be the darkest. If it's here, there's some people that do the look where, you know, like a halo eye, and so you do the inside too. But I set it there, and then if I'm going to bring it into the crease, I bring it in after I already set it in the area where I like it to be darker, which is the outer corner here, and blend it in. I like the seamless look. I don't want it to be harsh here. Now we're going to go into the green one that I had already dipped this one into. Fiddlehead is the color we're dipping into now. I'm going to start at the end. And like I said, when looking at it, I had no idea like what I wanted to do or what colors I wanted to use. Therefore, I'm just trying different things here. I think I might want it to look a little darker, so I'm going to use Morphe M506. And please, my friends, if you guys don't have all these brushes, I'm thinking I'm going to do another video where I'm going to just maybe use 5 brushes that you guys can easily grab and do your makeup. Mostly these 2 should be good enough, along with this one, maybe 3. And you can just leave this look just the way it is, like this. Grab, I like shimmery colors on my lid. You can grab a matte color if you like, but shimmer is what I love. So I would just grab one of these shimmers, either color that's in here, put it on, put your eyeliner, lashes, however, and be done. But because this palette is brand new to me, I really want to go into a lot of the colors that are in here, and just try it. Try the different colors on my eyeballs. I hope I don't mess up the look as well. Yeah, a lot of kickback. I'm okay with kickback. Anastasia shadows have a lot of kickback, and I still love those. I can't show you. You can't see, but either way, just know. You can't see it as much. I might have to go in with the darker ones. We're still going to use it. we're still going to use it. We're going to use a lot of colors. You guys are going to be like, wow, that was just a lot of colors for that look. That's what I was saying. I'm almost going to use the whole palette, but because I'm staying on this side of the palette, this is more the reddish tones, I just used this one. This is another good transition one. Like, you can use this as a transition and then that one in the crease with it, and you know, just thinking of different looks. Go in between the other colors and continuously, I'm lost for words, but just do this. And I go back and forth, so I do take my time. Doing my makeup, especially right now, like so quiet in the house, gosh, this is relaxing to me. I mean it. If you don't understand me, it's just because I know that, you know, you don't have like a passion for makeup like me or enjoy doing it, but I do. And I'm loving this time right now. I'm dipping back into the chanterelle because I want to be able to see all the colors, even though, what do you guys think of it? I'm going to go in with another color on the end here. So I don't know if I want to use the green one, or this is what we're going to do, because I don't know if I want to use this one or this one. We're going to dip into both of them. We're just going to go like this. And I do this a lot with my makeup. I can't make up my mind. And I'll just mix the two colors. I don't know what it's going to look like, but we will see together. Oh, it's getting messy. And I just want this on the outer corner. And I'm glad I put powder on the edges here, because on the bottom, because I'm having a lot of fallout. This color is only going to go on the outer corner. I'm going to blend it with a clean brush. Clean, or do I use... No, I'm going to use the greenish one. It's fine. I'm going to use the MAC... No, this Morphe one that we used Fiddlehead with, because I barely used it for Fiddlehead. So if this is too confusing for you guys, I'm sorry. I'm just having fun doing this. And I know, like, I feel like when I started watching YouTube videos like over 10 years ago, I know. And I mean, back when I was watching it, I don't think I even knew. I don't think people, either they weren't getting paid or weren't making enough, because I don't think it was a thing like it is now. There was a lot of tutorials. Now I think that it's come out of that. Like, I don't feel like there's a lot of tutorials out there, or maybe, I guess there is, but I feel like it's, I don't know. I can't even explain. It's very different now, though. So much drama in the beauty community. There's like always something going on. And I know if you don't watch, you don't know, which is fine. That's good. I want the red to pop right there because I couldn't see it anymore. That it brushes off that fallout. Now, for sure, I wouldn't call this an easy tutorial. So if you're not used to doing your makeup, what I would say is still try. What you have to do is sit there in front of the mirror, have some time, play it, pause. That's how I was learning when I was learning how to do it. I would sit in front of the mirror, play the tutorial, pause it. Did it come out exactly how they do it? No, it doesn't. Probably till this day, it still doesn't. But you definitely will get better. You get better at it. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we're going to go, you can definitely use your finger for these shimmery shadows, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go into the West Coast gold color right here. Can you guys see all the fallout? Let me see how it's looking dirty around the edges, but it's all right. We're going to go into that with the MAC 212 brush, which is this flat one. Just grab you a flat brush like that. Now I like to spray my brush when I'm using the shimmery color, so that's way like more vibrant. when you put it onto your eye, and we're going to put it in the center of the eyelid. Now the other side, on the other side of the gold color, we're going to go into the other shimmery color, Evergreen, right here, and try to put it in the inner corner area of the lid and see how that will turn out looking hopefully good. I'll do this one here on the camera so you guys can see. I can't see that good here though. So those colors are set, and now I'm going to blend with, I just grabbed the reddish tone brush, blending brush I've been using, and that's the look without the eyeliner or doing the bottom lash line, which I will do here in a minute. Let's brush this off, all this powder, and let's pray that it all this fallout goes away. Sorry friends, I stepped away and finished off the rest of my eye makeup, did my lipstick, because I noticed that the video was getting too long, and I don't know how to do these shorter videos, and I know attention span, even for me, is usually not that long for certain videos like a tutorial. Therefore, I'm going to show you, I used the Colourpop BFF3 lippy pencil along with their Colourpop Luxe Velvet lip and Fatale. That's what I used on my lips. Inner corner here is one of my favorites right now. It's this color from e.l.f. I suggest you guys just get it. I know I keep mentioning it here. Just get it. It's $3. This whole palette is really nice. You can do one look with the one palette. Eyeliner I used is my favorite Urban Decay Perversion. Inside that inner line and around. Liquid liner is the Benefit roller liner, and the lashes that I used are the Mykonos. Do you say faux or fox? Faux, I think it's faux Lily lashes, and that's the lashes that I used. On the bottom lash line right here, I went ahead and used the color PNW. This one right here, that's what I used. Now I really do like the way the look came out. Let me know, what do you guys think? My hair is sticking up right here. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the look? I know I'm not gonna call, this is not an easy look, not for my first timers out there, but for those that want to, that are you already been doing just one eye look, try it out. This is the only way you're going to learn, by trying and practicing. That's how I learned. So I hope you guys liked it. I am going to keep filming these videos, coming to you, I guess, almost daily right now, but I'm gonna try to do at least 3 videos a week. And if you guys have any requests, please let me know so that I know I have a couple, which I did do my foundation one that I'm gonna post, or I'm not sure if I'm posting before this video. It's because I've had a couple of people request it. And if you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, it's free, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.